Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr40, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, that being said, doing so through recovery mode will allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one set that you just don't know, this will get rid of it. Now, the downside is the device might become FRP locked if you're logged into a Google account. So yeah, something to keep in mind. Now, which means that once the reset is finished, you'll need to verify either your Google account or the previously used screen lock. But anyway, to get started, I'm going to lock the device and progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. And number one, we're going to hold our power button and volume up, and then select power off. So it looks like Motorola decided to take inspiration from Samsung, which is not a good thing. So now they're in the stack Android, they're giving you this absolutely bullshit thing where you need to put in your pattern to turn off the device. Now, the reason I'm saying it's completely not good design is because we can actually bypass this anyway. So just to show you this, I'm gonna hold power button and volume down, disregard the screenshot. I do recommend interacting with the display while you're doing so, because the moment the screen turns off, that means that the device turned off. And I will let go and start holding those two keys once more. And voila, we bypassed the forced pattern to turn off the device. Like, great design. You succeeded at nothing. Anyway, from here we're gonna select recovery mode using our volume buttons, and we're gonna then confirm it using power button. Next thing we will see is Android with no command, so to get past this you wanna hold your power button and press volume up once that is visible on the screen. So there we go. Hold power, volume up, and this will take us to the recovery mode. Again, using your volume buttons, you want to select wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it using your power button, and select factory data reset. We'll give you formatting data and then data wipe complete, which should be now. Come on. I guess we're gonna give it a little bit longer to finish up. Finally. Okay, so once it's finished, we can then stick with the first option, which will be selected by default, reboot system now. So simply confirm it using your pressing your power button, and this will now reboot the device and continue the factory reset in the background. Now this might take a minute or so to finish up, so just let it go through. That's completely normal, so don't worry. And once everything is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.